before we move on to our tutorial, please, if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Encourage me by giving you this tutorial. Now let's move on and start customizing our website. So here are we in our blogger dashboard. But in this tutorial today, we want to see how we can add pages to our website like this: home, and whatever you need here, especially blog, contact us, and about page. So let's move on. So first, come here and click on pages. When you click on pages, what you do is for you to click on add page, and then let's call this about. Let's call this about page, and depending on what you want to do, and depending on your website, what your website is all about, your about page is, telling the viewers, the visitors, what your content, your website is all about, or yourself. All right, to be able to write an about section for our website, we'll need a website, another website that will do that for us. I will link that website in the description box below. So click on that description, that link there in the description box, and it will take you to this particular website. And then paste this command on the search, on the input box here, search, and then click on send. So an AI will generate everything for us. All right, so let's highlight everything here. Let's highlight everything here, and then copy and come back to our website and paste it there. So here we'll do some editing here. Let's edit this and put our website name. And then here you can put your name here. You can put your name here, and then still read through, put your website name here, your website name here. Just that is the only work you do. So after that, then just read everything here. You can edit and then click on publish and click on confirm. All right, we have created an about a page. So let's create another page, and let's create another page and call it a contact page, or you can put it contact, or you put contact us, anyhow. And then all right, so on the contact us section, you can put your contact form, maybe your email, or whatever, your phone number, what they should contact you with. So and then click publish, and let's add another page. Let us add another page. I will call it blog, and here we'll leave it blank. I will tell you why we'll leave it blank later on. And which other page should we add again? Okay, so I think these three is okay. So let's view our blog. So you can see the things are not appearing. Nothing is appearing here. Nothing is appearing here. So we want those all those things to appear here on on our header here. All right, to achieve that, we'll go head over to layout. Now on the layout, this is what we will do. Look at it, click on this page list. All right, so this is our home page. This is our home page. So what we will do is this. Make sure that you turn this on. Just turn this on and then save. So let's come back and refresh this page and see what will happen there. Look at it, look at it. Home is already appearing there. Our home page, that is our home page. And then the next thing is that we want to link this page. We want to link all this page: blog, contact, and about us. So let's go back, then still click on this place here. Click on add new item. So we'll name this. Okay, look at them here, everything is here. So we'll make this blog. Let's just save it first. And then we'll add another item, and we'll name this about. And then on the about me, let's save it first. And then, okay, sorry, one more thing. And then we'll add a new item, and let's add this contact us. So, and then save it. Now let's save this and see what will happen. Let's refresh this. So if I click on block, there is nothing here. We haven't posted any block yet, so there is nothing here. Then about me, this is what happened. This is what we created on the about me page. Look at what we did. So it's here appearing here, and then contact us, and this is what we put here. So guys, you can see how everything is working here. Okay, so let's just post one like two blocks, and then we'll see how we can arrange them on the block section. So let's move on. So for instance, let me copy one of my blog posts here. Let me copy this. I will just copy a bit. It's okay, just like this, copy, and then come back. Let's create a blog post. So let me create posts. So let me paste what we copied here. Let me remove this link. Let's say this is the example of my blog post. Now in this section, in the label section, make sure you type in blog. Make sure you type this in. Make sure you assign this to label, and then click on publish. Now let's create another blog post. Let's say this is sample 2. Let me copy from this other side. Let me copy this thing here. Copy, and then come here and paste. Now on the label section, select block also, then publish. All right, let me add another post. And let's say, for instance, let me use from here. All right, and then paste. Over here I will name this sample 3. and then publish. Right. All right, so after we posted everything, this is how everything looks like. But we want, if we click on blog, the blog post we posted should line up here. All the blog posts should line up here. So how do we do that? Now you have to move out from your dashboard and then view, make sure you view your blog, then come to your main blog this thing. Now from the home page, click on this label, look for the label, and then look for the particular label you want. This is blog. Now click on it. When you click on it, copy this URL. Copy this URL. Come back to your dashboard and then click on layout. When you click on layout, click on this top list. Click on it and then look for the blog. Look at it. Click on this pen icon and then replace this URL. Look at it. You replace this URL, your website domain, then slash search slash labels slash the name of the label, and then click save. Save here, and then let's come back and refresh our website. All right, so now our website is being refreshed. What we'll do, let's click on the block again. Right, so as you can see, all of our blog posts are shown here. Look at it. Sample 3, we have sample 2, we have sample 1. So from here you can click on sample 1 and we'll open up our blog post that we posted on sample 1. Look at it here. Look at it. As you can see, this is the blog post. This is the post we posted. You can come back to blog again and then click on sample 2. So let's say you don't like this particular template, you can change the template. You can change this template to any other one. Let's say we need another template. You go to theme and then scroll down. Let's check this one. Let's check this particular theme and then apply. Now if we apply the theme, it's here already. So let's refresh our web page. Look at how this one looks like. Look at how the way this one is. So guys, we have come to the end of our tutorial today. If you found this video helpful, please kindly give me a like and then subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. We shall see in our next tutorial.